We'll get it going with our first speaker, and our first speaker is Sheila McMullen from VyStar. Anybody ever try to get a loan from VyStar? Anybody ever succeeded in getting a loan from VyStar? Anybody want to make it the way? You can keep succeeding and getting on. So she's gonna speak on that very soon. Oh no! All right, everybody. Sheila McMullen. Clap it up.
I need a little bit more encouragement, guys. One more time. Make it some claps. Thank you.
Let me
That's right. That's my song.
Thank you.
Fun fact, my dad was in love with Sheila E. So my mom said you can't have him, but I'll name your daughter after her. So my middle initial is E, and some of my friends do call me Sheila E. So thank you. All right. Good evening. I want to say thank you guys for coming. Thank you for allowing me to talk. I'm not going to make it long. You know VyStar's in the building. My table's right over there. Right? I got some people here. So earlier, Randolph asked who's ever gotten or who's been successful with getting a loan from VyStar. And I saw like 2 hands. That's weird to me. So even more why just sharing a little bit about the importance of what we do on a day-to-day and how we can potentially help support you with your business. So for those of you that don't know, VyStar does have an entire commercial lending team that is available to help service your business, nonprofit, etc. The number one request that we get is startup money. I want to tell you, we don't do that. Here's why. It's very important that we support you from day one all the way to the end. If we just give you money with an idea, we're not holding you financially sound. Some people get really upset about that, but it's my job to be very transparent so that way we can prepare you for when you go somewhere else. If you think about it, if you go to like your Wells Fargo, no offense, any of the other banks, it's very hard to sit down in person with a personal banker. Yeah? Okay. The difference here is for VyStar, we are focused on building relationships. So if you come inside a branch, we try to match you with a personal banker, somebody that will be your day one, somebody that you can call, email, someone that you can come in if you have any issues. We try to set the tone because building relationships is extremely important. How many of you currently right now have an account and have a personalized business banker? Wherever you're at, raise your hand. Okay, that's less than 10. Do you know how impactful that is? That means what happens when something happens with your business? Who do you call? Do you just come in and then you wait 2 hours and then you get upset because they didn't help you? Is that what usually happens? Yes? Okay. How frustrating is that as a business owner? Do you have hours to come and sit down and wait for someone? Isn't time money? Isn't that what they say? Right. So how awesome would it be if you had a personal banker? Right? And when I say personal, I give my personal cell phone out. Yes, I do, because I want to make sure that you get that service that we are trusted and we can help you. So why do you need a business banker? 1, to make sure that you have somebody looking out for your accounts. What do we offer? So if you come inside any of our branches, we're going to package your business. So at my table, I have my business banker. Okay, she waved. All right. I have my CPA, who is one of my premier business bankers. Jessica, raise your hand. Okay, I have a realtor. And then in the corner with the nice blue suit, I have our financial advisor. So for all you business owners, I know you don't want to work for the rest of your life, right? You need to set something up, turn it over, make your money grow. So that's the package deal that you get. You absolutely need that because 2 people told me they got approved, the other people didn't. I bet one of the reasons why you did not is because you didn't have your financial documents in order, right? You just get deposits in, you see all my money, why can't you give me money? It doesn't work like that. We have to make sure all your items are adjusted accordingly. So that's why it's really important that wherever you bank, and I'm not just saying that for VyStar, wherever you bank, you should have a team. So I'm going to close with saying if anybody is interested in meeting my team, I do also have some other VPs in different areas. My location is the Regency Commons, but I've got a few for those who might be on the outside to come to our table, connect, and just give us a shot. A conversation is free. Thank you so much for your time.